In this question, it is given that if 20 to the power 19 plus 2 into 20 to the power 18 into 21 plus 3 into 20 to the power 17 into 21 square and so on up to 20 into 21 to the power 19 is equal to k into 20 to the power 19. Then find k. As it is clear that it is a arithmetico-geometric series, I can do the question with the help of the concept of arithmetico-geometric series, but I will do it in a better way. To find the value of k, first of all, I divide both sides by 20 to the power 19, and everywhere 21 upon 20 will come. And for brevity, for 21 by 20, I will be writing x. First of all, divide both sides by 20 to the power 19. I will get 1 plus 2 into 21 by 20 plus 3 into 21 by 20 whole square plus 4 into 21 by 20 whole cube and so on up to 20 into 21 by 20 to the power 19 is equal to k. Now I have to find the value of k. To find the value of k, let us write x for 21 by 20. Therefore, left hand side will become 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube up to 20x bar 19. And now the interesting part will come. It is clear that 1 plus x square up to x bar 20 is equal to 1 minus x bar 21 upon 1 minus x, because there are 21 terms. Now comes the interesting part, that if you want to find the value of this, differentiate both sides with respect to x. I will get 1 plus 2x plus 3x square up to 20x bar 19 is equal to x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 into 21 x bar 20 minus x bar 21 minus 1, that is equal to 21 x bar 21 minus 21 x bar 20 minus x bar 21 plus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square, that is 20 x bar 21 minus 21 x bar 20 plus 1 upon, this is equal to 20 x bar 21 minus 21 x bar 20 plus 1 upon, and now put the value of x as 21 upon 20. I get 21 to the power 21 upon 20 to the power 20 minus 21 into 21 by 20 whole to the power 20 plus 1 upon 21 by 20 minus 1 whole square. This is equal to, and now this will get cancelled. I will get 1 upon 1 by 20 whole to the power 2, that is 400. The benefit of this method is, had it be 2 into 1 here, 3 into 2 here, 4 into 3 here, in that case, the method of arithmetical geometric series will be giving you very lengthy solution. But this way still will not be very difficult. You will have to differentiate once again and you'll be getting the value.